it's my turn. Dignitaries on the dais, especially His Excellency Sheikh Abdullah, Chairman and the Principal, Mr. Fernandez, right? Mr. Francis, former Director General of Police, Kerala State, Mr. Mr. Jacob, IPS, one of the toughest, one of the best, and one of the most gentleman officer in the country, as we all have known him, and he is among us. With him, other dignitaries, and also my friends and family members, and my people over here, and people who have come from different parts of the world, I salute you, I welcome you, and also I salute the ruling family, the ruling party, the government of Abu Dhabi, and also our friend, philosopher, and today who has been a guide to this mission, to this place, to this cultural revolution, Mr. Colonel Samsi. Colonel Samsi, I'm grateful indeed. Well, I was not prepared for me being the opening batsman over here. I thought I'll come, I'll listen, I'll watch, I'll observe, and then I shall put in some words, if need be. But nevertheless, I've been asked to speak, and on such an occasion, where most of the people are celebrating the annual day of the Emeritus School, I can only say that generally back in India, back in my hometown, they don't call me for any school college functions. Because in school I was very naughty, and college I had become very notorious. When I was in college, I would appear more on the notice board, and I had appeared so many times on the notice board that till date I remember how I would appear on the notice board, like to start like Mr. Shatrughan Prasad Sinha. My full name is Mr. Shatrughan Prasad Sinha. I've cut it to Shatrughan Sinha, and some of you have cut it to Shotgun or Shatru. Shatrughan Prasad Sinha, roll number 210 of BSc, has been fined ₹25 for his misconduct, and he has been warned that any such reputation will mean his removal from this college. Copy forwarded to all head of the departments and the notice board of the Girls' Common Room. Signed, N.S. Nagendranath, Principal, Patna Science College, Patna 7. How? Why? Because I didn't get a chance to study, I didn't get the atmosphere and the environment you all had. I didn't get the chance to study in such a beautiful school where Mrs. Bhaumik is principal and lady principal, and I was only, if I had gone to school like this, maybe I would have turned out into a better student. But nevertheless, let me tell you one thing. Through my struggle and through my school and college days, and also while struggling to become an actor or a star, I realized that if you excel in three things, studies, sports, music, art or culture, then the sky is the limit. Even if you excel in two subjects, like studies, sports, music, culture, or art and culture and studies, still you have got no limit. Even if you excel in one, either in studies or sports or art and culture, music, then also you can reach the goal. You will have the ample of opportunities in life. I could not excel in studies. I did not do well in sports, but somehow or other, they thought I was very good in art and culture, acting. And this is the part which took me right from Patna, that time a small town, but today is the capital of Bihar, and from Patna took me to Pune, where I was selected by the FTII. I graduated in acting, and after passing out from FTII, rest is history. You all know how I struggled and how finally I achieved or got whatever little success I got by the grace of God. It is only because of my commitment, determination, and choosing the right path. So today I tell my people, and especially the parents, don't impose your own will on your children. You don't decide कि मेरा बेटा डॉक्टर बनेगा कि मेरा बेटा इंजीनियर बनेगा. Leave it to their aptitude. क्या बनेगा, कितना काबिल है, अगर वो बनने लायक है तो उसी रास्ते पे उसका चलने दो आप. अपनी जिद, अपना अहम बच्चे पे मत डालो कि आप बच्चे को ये बनाना है वो बनाना है. We are 4 brothers. Dr. Ram, Dr. Lakhan, Dr. Bharat, and me, compounder बनने के लायक नहीं, Shatrughan. My late father, who had done his early 50s, he had done his BSc and MSc from America, United States of America. Still, it was his wish and desire कि नहीं हमारा 4 बेटा, 2 बेटा साइंटिस्ट बनेगा, 2 बेटा डॉक्टर बनेगा. Dr. Ram, my elder brother, is still a scientist in America. Dr. Lakhan, second brother, he's also a scientist. He was in America, now he's come back to India. Dr. Bharat Sinha, third brother, who is a very successful doctor of medicine in UK, London. And I was not good enough to become even a compounder, but ultimately I become the health minister of India. That's a difference. डेमोक्रेसी में कभी कभी होता है जो किसी काबिल नहीं होता, जो कभी कंपाउंडर बनने के लायक भी नहीं होता, और देश का हेल्थ मिनिस्टर बन जाता, वो मेरे साथ हुआ. बट मैं कहना ये चाह रहा था, डोंट पुट देम अगेंस्ट द वॉल. बच्चों के ऊपर अपनी जिद, डोंट डिसाइड देयर फ्यूचर. लेट देयर टैलेंट एंड देयर एप्टीट्यूड डिसाइड देयर फ्यूचर. नंबर 2, what mantra I was given, this mantra I followed till date. And on this occasion, since I cannot talk anything else about politics or about anything else about medicine or nuclear science, so today I can only talk about the children, about keeping the decorum of the function and keeping this culture evening in mind. I can only give you the mantra which I have been following myself. And this mantra I have given to my children, including my daughter Sonakshi Sinha, and even she repeated the very first time Sonakshi said that my father has taught me that in the competitive world, prove yourself better than other people. In case you don't prove yourself better, then prove yourself different than other people. Prove yourself better than the best or different from the rest. This is the mantra I would like to give it on this occasion to my people over here in Abu Dhabi, to the children and of course the children's parents. And I would like to say, hope, wish and pray on this occasion that the children of Emirates School, Emirates Future International School, not only they prove themselves better than the best in future, but also they will be like shining stars and they will be different from the rest. God bless all of you. Thank you very much. Amen.